Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel Technical Learning for All, and today we are going to understand how to install Google Chrome, okay, but on the Linux CentOS version, okay. So in my laptop we have the Linux CentOS 9th version, okay. You can just check here. So I'm going to my Oracle VirtualBox here, just going to start my OS. Fine. So inside this, if you want to check the version, okay, so you can just check hostnamectl command which I fired here. You can check the version as CentOS stream 9, okay, Linux based kernel, okay. So in this OS we are going to install the Google Chrome. So by default we have Firefox here. So let us open the Firefox, and here you have to search for download, okay, Chrome for Linux. Set up Chrome browser on the Linux, okay. If you go here, you will see different step. Go to the download installer step directly. Here if you go, just click on the link, okay, go to link, this one, and here click on download Chrome. We are going to select the RPM, okay, .rpm. .deb will not support to this OS, okay. So this CentOS 9 will support only for 64-bit .rpm version. Accept and install. So it will take some time, okay, wait for some time. So if your internet speed is good, right, within 1 second, okay, it will download the this .rpm file for you. Just go to that particular browser, okay, that particular folder, and just do double click on this. So here it will show you the option to install Google Chrome stable. Click on the install button. Then enter your password and authenticate. So now you can use this Google Chrome version on your CentOS 9, okay. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you think that this video is helpful for you, you can just visit my channel. Just go to youtube.com, okay, youtube.com, go to YouTube, and then here you can just visit for @technical, okay, learning for all. So if you think that this video is helpful for you, visit my channel, click on the subscribe button. You can watch multiple videos here, okay. There are many videos. I created DevOps content, lot of videos relevant to programming, okay, and Linux OS and DevOps. So you can just watch that and share your feedback. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.